Here's how to get projects as a photographer when you're starting out. So first off, if you're going for school for any of this stuff, so photography, videography, whatever, then make sure to keep track of your classmates. And what I mean by that is don't obviously stalk them, but make friends and just be friendly and keep in contact with them. You never know where people are going to end up and what potential opportunities will come through. So even if you don't talk to someone every day or don't talk to them that much at all, then at least add them on social media, Instagram, anything that you can keep in contact with them, because again, you never know when someone's gonna end up or when they might hit you up and what everyone can work on together. Another thing is do free shoots. Now, and I've mentioned this before in some of my other videos, especially my beginner to pro videos, but do free shoots because especially when you're starting out, you need to gain credibility. And also you need to just build up a portfolio as well. So having shots where they look really cool lights, whatever, make sure you show them and it demonstrates what you can do and how you can do it. If it even involves posting stuff online to show how you do this kind of effect for, I don't know, TikTok or something, at least that will show people something that you're not a ghost and you're just there making content and you know what you're doing. Now, I might be cheating a little bit when I say this, but I'm also gonna go off the last point where make social media content. So even if it's nothing crazy or if it's just a small shoot or whatever you're doing, people always value someone more when they know that they're not a ghost and they're legit and they actually are doing something towards it and that's not just their first shoot. So at least if that's something that interests you, then at least that also will help you gain a following online and you'll just also become better because people feel that's more credible or you're not gonna scam people even if you have like 1,000 followers, 2,000 followers, whatever. You have some credibility there. Now, another thing to keep in mind is if you travel or you travel even just a few times a year or at all even, then take your camera and take shots. Just get shots of anything that you find cool and that can have something behind it that you can use and you can post somewhere, because again, those are stuff you can do for free and you can do for free or in your free time, and it'll at least give you some purpose behind it and of taking that shot too. And it'll show your skills off. It's also pretty fun too. Before we continue on with the video, be sure to like and subscribe down below so you can see more of these videos. Anyway, let's get right back into the video. Now, I'm also going to go off that point as well, but if you're going to a certain event, so if you're going to a hockey game and they allow your camera in, or a soccer game, or something that you can bring stuff in, it doesn't have to be professional even, it can just be the local kids team playing and you're there as a parent, something like that. Then even just getting a few shots like that, again with consent and providing security allows you in with the whatever, then you can get some great shots and it'll allow you to, again, build portfolio, it'll allow you to get content and just up your skills. And especially for sports and events like that, things are moving fast. So if you can get good shots in environments where you literally only get a split second to take a shot sometimes, then that's way better sometimes than having a portfolio full of portraits which are posed and don't have as much emotion in it. Again, not saying those are bad, but I'm saying that it will just make you stand out much quicker. Anyways, there's just a few tips that I followed when I was starting out, and also just in general that I still follow, that I just still do for fun sometimes as well, just to also meet people, and I feel like it works really well. So if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe down below so you can see more of these, so you can see more of the content that I'm making to help you all become great photographers and videographers. And if you want to follow me on TikTok or Instagram, feel free to follow me here, and I'll love to talk to some of you if you want to hit me up. And thanks for watching. Peace out. Bye.